And the sun's starting to come up across northeast Kansas. You can see some of the high clouds over at Topeka this morning, and a chilly start as well. 32 degrees right now in the capital city. A light breeze out of the northwest, just enough to make us feel a bit chillier. 26 is our wind chill in the capital city right now, and overall we're seeing the low 30s, even up near the 40s across the board. We have Manhattan that's really been hugging that 40-degree mark, and some in the upper 30s, Holton at 38 and Junction City at 37 right now. But a chilly day is ahead of us as our cold front is starting to make its way through. We see our northerly winds starting to push through the area pretty high in our northwestern parts, 20 miles an hour or more in some spots, so breezy conditions expected as we make our way into the afternoon. So we warm up today slightly, only into the upper 30s for highs, but because of that wind, it's not even going to feel close to that. We'll have feels like temperatures in the 20s and teens in our northern counties. Overnight tonight, we drop off back into the 20s for lows, so setting up for another cooler than average couple of days here in northeast Kansas, where our average high is 54. We'll be quite a ways from that after we had a little bit of a warming trend this past week. Now we've got a couple of days on the chilly side of life, and another part of that is because the cloud cover building overhead. And zooming out, here's our next snowmaker in the mix. It's going to be moving off into the high plains today, and that's what's going to make our chance for snow this evening into the overnight hours. But just behind it, in the Pacific, we have our nice large ridge of high pressure. That high pressure is going to clear things out pretty nicely, and we can see all this come together on future track. Cloud cover building throughout the morning hours today. By the time we get into the afternoon hours, that's when our snow really builds up across the Nebraska-Kansas border. Moving into the evening hours and nighttime, that's when it makes its way into northeast Kansas. The heaviest for our northern counties, some light flurries and lighter snowfall south of that, but by the time we get into the early morning hours tomorrow, that just about pushes its way out, leaving behind cloud cover that continues to push out, moving throughout the day on Sunday. So as far as snowfall goes, the most of the snowfall for our northern counties maybe up to an inch, but the rest of us expect only the lightest of dustings with this system as it makes its way through. But it does keep us cold moving into tomorrow. Clouds clear out of the way, but we still stay in the 30s for our Sunday, lows in the 20s for the next couple of days. But you notice with that high pressure, plenty of sunshine overhead Monday through Thursday. We got tons of sunshine, warming us back up into the 50s. Turkey Day on Thursday looking to be especially nice, with highs in the mid to upper 50s and lows climbing back into the 30s and then 40s. We do have, though, on Friday, more clouds coming back into the area, just a few, for a chance of some showers Friday afternoon.